In today's edition of Cyber Talk, let's talk about free cybersecurity certification courses out there. Free, yes, I said free. They are completely free. All you need is just your smartphone, your laptop, and an internet. Then you register. That's all you need. These are not those ones that you tell you that it's free and you get to do it, and by the time you're halfway in, you find out that it's no longer free. I know some of these courses are like that. And some of these courses can be very, very expensive. It's so expensive that it's so discouraging for someone who is thinking about starting or even someone who wants to switch career, right? But today I found a site that have tons of free certification courses in cybersecurity that you can actually do. Now, before I proceed, I'd like to let you know that this is not a paid promotion. I am not advertising for this site. I don't even know them. In fact, they don't even know that someone like me exists on this platform yet. They don't know yet. But this is me not gatekeeping. I'm so happy to be sharing this with you all today. Also, in my description link, I put the link to the website. And hold on, don't just run off to get the link and off you go. No, you stay back because we are going to do a walkthrough together. I'll be taking you guys on a walkthrough and we'll be looking at this link and also be analyzing all these free certification courses. And I will tell you guys what I recommend and let you know the ones I did that helped me as well. So, but before you even start thinking about cybersecurity certification courses, I hope by now you have found out the field of cybersecurity that you're interested in, right? If you haven't found out, please go and watch my video. The link is here. I've also inserted the link in description. Click on the link, watch the video. It's like a crash course in fields of cybersecurity. Find out the one that interests you, because once you find out that one, it will help you to decide on the certification courses that you will be doing, so that you don't just waste your time doing everything you see and end up getting frustrated and confused. So you need to map out your field. It's just like all these YouTube content creators that say map out your niche. So your cybersecurity is not a niche, it's a field of cybersecurity. So you need to map out the particular field that you really want to get into. If you want to do cloud security, you do courses related to cloud security. If you want to be a compliance analyst, you do courses related to compliance analyst. So that is what I want you all to do first. Now that I assume you have known your field, let's get right into it. Come with me while we walk through this website together and decide on which courses is right for us as beginners or even intermediate in our cybersecurity journey. I'll see you when we're back. So now you're on this website. They are called the EC Council Cybersecurity Exchange. Link is in description. And now you want to go down, you can see where they say 9 free cybersecurity courses online with certificates. So you're not just doing these courses, you are getting certificates. The certificate that you will use to put in your resume when you start applying for your role, when you want to apply for roles in cybersecurity. So the first thing, you come down here, you can see that there are 9 of them. You're not going to do 9 of them. So you start looking for the best one for your field, the best one that suits your field of interest. So this first one, it says a practical introduction to cloud computing. You all know that cloud computing or cloud security is one of the fields in cybersecurity. So if you're someone who is interested in cloud computing in cybersecurity, this one is good for you. This first one, this is a practical introduction. And then it says what you will learn, understand the infrastructure as a service options, including virtual machines on shared physical servers. And you're going to deploy a virtual machine on Amazon Web Service. This is really, really good. In fact, even if you're not interested in cloud computing, but you just like cybersecurity, this one is, I recommend you to do this one. This is actually a practical introductory to cloud computing. So this is good. This is one that I will recommend, right? For me, I didn't really do this practical introduction to cloud computing because I already did, I went ahead then and did a foundational certification with Oracle. So that one helped me. But if you haven't done any cloud certification and you want to get one for free, this one is your go-to. So all you just need to do is just to click here. See, it says register now for instant free course access. So you click here and then it brings you to this page, and then you can, it takes you only just for 2 hours 34 minutes. It's a short course, right? So this is it, and you have the overview. This is what you will learn. Like we say, deploy virtual machines on AWS. So this is it. This is all that you'll be learning. This is your instructor. It says start learning now for free. So you just need to create an account and start learning for free. And if you want to master new skills or even advance, you can actually upgrade to pro. So if you, let's see how much it takes to upgrade to pro. So when you say upgrade now, it first, look, that this is even good. It even gives you a 7-day free trial to upgrade. So then you get your 7-day free trial, and you can then get the paid. I think I saw somewhere it says you can pay, I think, 49 US dollars monthly after you've completed your, so there's pricing here. So you click on pricing. See, this is the pricing plans. So it says $41 per month, and then there's another one for your team. You even have a pro plan for teams. So, but you can start with a 7-day trial. And I've actually done a course, a practical course, where I had like 7 days free trial, and I actually finished it within 7 days, and I was still able to get my certification. So it depends on how fast you are, the speed of your learning. This is recommendable. I will recommend this one for beginners. So let's go back. Remember, I said there were 9 of them. So let's go back to the next one. So this one is cybersecurity for businesses, the fundamental edition. So get the knowledge you need to protect your business and reduce your risk from numerous threats targeting your company. It is also very important for businesses to be cybersecurity, skilled, for businesses to know the basic concept of cybersecurity and how to protect their companies from cyber threats. So this one is also good for businesses, also for an individual as well. If you're looking to also learn these fundamental skills, this is also another good one. Then the third one is Android bug bounty hunting, hunt like a rat. This is good as well. This is good. When you hear bug bounty hunting, this is all about vulnerability management, penetration testing. So this will give you that practical hacking skills that you are looking for. It says register now. First, it says understand about intricacies of bug bounty, learn about paths, variables. So it says register now, and then it brings you to this page as well that will gives you this detailed piece. Is actually for 1 hour 8 minutes. This will, it says from setting up a lab to setting you up for attacking a real target. This is really good. And my advice for anyone that will be doing all these practical ones is that when you're doing it, don't forget to record yourself and create a link. I always say that for beginners, when you want to break into cybersecurity, you want to show the company that are looking to hire you that you have a practical experience. You've done an internship, but you've actually set up a lab. Like you've actually been able to set up a lab and do something with any tool, with any cybersecurity tool out there. So this is what this particular course will give you. This one I recommend as well. So this is vulnerability assessment and pen testing. So for you all that like pen testing, for all our ethical hackers, people that are aspiring to be ethical hackers, this is your go-to, and this is completely free with a certificate of completion at the end. The other ones, introduction to dark web anomaly and cryptocurrency, these ones are also good, but because I know that as a beginner, you don't want to waste your time, right? You want to save as much time as you can to move on to the next important thing. You wouldn't want to dive into every free courses you see out there. So that's why I'm working with you guys on this. It's so easy for me to just tell you guys, oh, I found this website. I've shared the link in my description, and then just copy the link and go and look at it yourself. That won't be good. That won't be good because I know the struggles of a beginner. I know the struggles of a cybersecurity beginner. So then number 6 is introduction to SAN and NAS storage. 7 Cisco Labs crash course. This is also good. This is also good for people that are interested in networking, that wants to, master their networking skills or build their networking skills. This one is also good. SQL injection attack is also good. Well, this SQL injection attack is not really for beginners as well. Even intermediate can do it. Because number 9, configure Juniper SRX router using JWeb. This is also for people that like network security. So yeah, this is it. So now that we've gone through these free courses and we've analyzed each of them, what do you think? Have you done any of these courses at all? Did you encounter any of these courses in your cybersecurity journey? Are you aware of this website? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Do you think my recommendation fits? If you are a cybersecurity expert watching this video today, comment in the section and tell me what you think about this website. The certification, did you get any of the certification in that website? Did it help you? And if you are also thinking of going for one of these courses that we've just reviewed today, let me know how it goes, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.